Welcome to the official media channel of the Igbo Community of Wales.
Government's doing?
Absolutely.
Well, also in Abia State, the state government has announced plans to make the Igbo language a compulsory subject in schools in order to protect the language from extinction. The deputy governor of the state made the announcement during a competition organized by the Catholic Diocese of Aba. He expressed concern that English has replaced Igbo in many homes, warning that the language could disappear if not preserved. He blamed some Igbo parents for not speaking the language at home. This is another commendable initiative. Yeah. Really, I love this actual initiative. Yeah. I mean, I thought, I did learn Igbo in school.
Exactly.
I did in school. So I'm glad that it is now really compulsory. Yeah. Before we end, what's trending?